Let's look at the Zebra ZT411, how to replace the printhead. First, unlock the latch above the printhead. Then the printhead will drop down. After it drops down, unplug the ribbon cable. There are two ribbon cables. Remove the small one first, then pull it backward. Now the printhead is removed. Take out the new printhead. The process is the same. First, plug in the ribbon cables. Align it and push it in firmly. Make sure it is fully seated. Put the printhead back in place. After it is in place, lock this latch again. Push it all the way in. These two posts are on the printhead, so push it all the way in. Return the latch to its position. Then pull it backward. Lock it tight. The installation is complete.